are you?
Hey,
Hi, how are you?
hello.
Hello.
Hey there.
Hi, good morning.
Morning, how are you?
I'm Michelle. I'm the owner of GIGIL. It's so nice to meet you.
You?
For agreeing to participate in this video series. I'm super excited.
I just was in this mom workout group or neonatal group, and just so happened that we all had like due dates around the same time. And there was 5 of us who literally had babies within days of each other. And, we started a group thread like after the babies were born. I referenced it earlier, and I didn't have that with Kai. I didn't know anybody, and it was hard. And so now just to have these moms, and they range from first time moms like you who have 3, some like me who it was their second. It has been able to like talk just whenever I have a bad day, I can just text this thread of women and just get, 10, well, not 10, 5 people to respond immediately and, say, oh, that happened to me too. Oh, you're going to be okay. Just take a breath. And I feel like everybody needs that. Like everyone should have that support system,
We have awesome neighbors who we were close with before the closures, but even more so, now they just go out and play. It's like,
That's awesome.
hey, it's like 6, Olivia. Who has Olivia? And where can you send her home?
I felt so alone with Kai. And like my husband is the best. He helps. He does the cooking and the cleaning. He does so much, but he doesn't know he just doesn't know exactly what it's like as much as he tries to empathize. And
that's okay. And he never will. I mean, that's just the honest truth. Until you've been through it yourself, there's no way to even compare. It's so important to you have your spouse, you have your mom, you have friends that, pre-kid friends, but then finding that mom tribe is like a whole nother level of relief.
Yeah, there's like 15 kids on our street.
That's awesome. I think our next goal, like in 5 years or something, when we move again, would be, that's going to be something we tell the realtor, like there has to be a street with kids,
That's what I told when we bought our house, I told our neighbors, I'm like, they needed to like put like awesome neighbors full of kids in the ad.
Somebody had posted something to the effect of like, I'm so glad our generation has stopped glamorizing motherhood and it's been just real about it. And it's okay to complain about your kids, and it's okay to complain that you're tired.
Yes.
I mean, my mom is like the epitome boomer. And to this day, she talks about how all 3 of her pregnancies were like so wonderful. She enjoyed every minute of it. But still, because she was brainwashed that she was supposed to feel that way. And so that, of course, when I'm pregnant and I'm feeling terrible, I'm like, oh, but I'm supposed to be enjoying that. It's not enjoyable. Like, pregnancy is not.
Sucks.
And I feel like it's really important. I feel it's really, really important. And the generations of women who came before us didn't have that, and they had to hide all their feelings. They had to hide their no one talks about postpartum depression.
Right.
No.
And now, I mean, it's out there, but it's still not something that is talked about enough to where you're prepared for it.
No, I remember telling, I don't know if it was my mom or somebody else of that generation, just talking about postpartum depression. And they actually said, in our day, nobody had postpartum depression. And I was like, I'll give you that nobody was talking about it, but this isn't a new thing. And again, it's like, how sad that they can't even admit, they weren't even allowed to admit to themselves that they had hormones that were raging through their bodies, influencing their moods, influencing possibly their milk production, and just being a failure if you weren't completely perfect from looking in from the outside. And I'm just so happy that my generation or our generation has just said that's unacceptable. No, thank you.
Yeah, it's okay to be a hot mess sometimes.
And so we really stayed away from everyone for about 8 weeks. And that was really hard, trying to help my daughter understand why she couldn't see her best friends that are like right next door.
Yeah.
And then, we just kind of had to make the choice of, this obviously isn't going away anytime soon, and who is going to be in our bubble.
Yep.
And so, we had to make that choice. And I think that everybody had to kind of decide what their life was going to look like for the foreseeable future. And so they were our people.
That's awesome that you guys had that opportunity.
Yeah.
I don't think that, I think we're our hardest judges, right? We always judge our own failures, but it's normal. We're normal. Those behaviors are normal. The tears are normal. The breakdown is normal. And I think that having like that mom community to just check in every once in a while, like, I totally just lost it. Is this okay? And everyone's like, yes, girl, you're fine. You know, you need someone to say, it's okay. It's okay. All right. Well, enjoy the rest of your day. Thanks for
Thank
meeting
you.
with me. Hang in there. You got this, mama.
You too. Thank you so much. It was so nice talking to you.
Bye.